pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Is this not the tiniest box you've ever seen? She showed up on my door today and I wasn't even expecting her. Check that out. Alright, so I've got, has to be the base box. Has to be. I mean, it just has to be. So the weight I'll put on the screen for you, and it's just so light and so little. I had to get 2 base boxes. I decided to look on the other one to see if it had shipped, and it also gave me a weight, and it's like double the weight of this one. So there's got to be hopefully a palette or something in there. Anyhow, I'm going to do this unboxing for you today. All right. My tiny little box. It says Fanta C. That's kind of cute. All right, let's open her up and see what we got. So this is the $25 a month box that is a monthly subscription, and you get 5 full-size items, and hopefully it values over $125, which is around the average. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. One of the first things I see is Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. This is supposed to reduce dark circles, and it doesn't feel like there's anything in it. How weird is that? Okay, let me see. $63. Stop it. It's got a safety seal. All right, let me see. Is there has to be something in it, right? Okay, yeah. Comes out. It's really, it feels like more like a moisturizer than a serum. There's no real scent to it, but hey, I'll try this out and I'll have to update you guys and let you know. All right, so this is the first thing I see. The next thing I see is the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. It says Make a Mauve on it, and it is by Alley Oop. Oh my gosh, I thought that said Alley Poop for a second there. Okay, so this here has got an eyeliner. I'm going to swatch it for you. It's black, and then it's got a brow product. It's all mechanical. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Then we have a highlight and a lip liner. The lip liner is like a mauve-ish kind of. You really got to turn it to get it. Ooh, okay, that's pretty. And then you've got this last one, which is a highlight. So, let me see. Okay, here they are. Starting over here, you've got the black eyeliner, the brow pencil, and then you've got the lip liner, which is mauve, and then you've got the highlighter on the end. So that's different. I guess it's for like a quick touch-up or on-the-go thing. That's neat. Okay, let me see what the value, $25. Then we have Bellapierre Cosmetics Liquid Eyeliner in black. And it's the style that I don't really like. I don't buy these particular ones, but we're definitely going to try this out. I'm going to go ahead and swipe her. Ooh, this is like, the tip has a lot of control, so this one won't be bad for using for a wing. It should be okay. And I have it over here. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, Detox Hair Serum, The Lifestyle Company, Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. Here it is here. $79? Stop. Okay, Detox Serum. Nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. So it's made from nutrient-dense plant oils. Okay, so I read about this, and this is something that after you wash your hair, you would massage into your scalp and leave it on. Ooh, it's really oily. And it has a shine. There's really no scent to it. Okay. So we've got that. Next, oh, the last thing is Hydrating Complexion Trio by Alamar. So this here is their brightening, bronzing, and contour. You got your brightening, your bronzing, and your contour. All right, let's swatch her. Woo! Okay. Woo! Wow. Your brightening is definitely brightening. Your bronzer has a peachy undertone, and your contour has, ooh, like an orange, almost like an orange undertone. So here it is here. I won't be able to use the orange, but I could use the brightening, and the bronzer I probably will end up having to mix with another bronzer because it's more for warm skin tones. And this brightening one reminds me of like a bright banana, to be perfectly honest with you, which is pretty neat. Okay, so let's recap. I got this palette here. It's a $25 value. Then I got the liner. Then I got the 4-in-1 pen. Then I got the Detox Serum and the under eye brightener. So all of that here, I believe the value is $212 total, but I'll put that on the screen for you. I will also put the variation on the screen for you. And I uploaded a video for you. I don't know if it's going to be in this one or separate because I lost some footage again, but it is on using the BoxyCharm products, plus the Alamar Squat palette, since I got this last year in Boxy, and it's a repeat, so... Alright guys, that's it. Let me know if you got your BoxyCharm on time this month or if it's being delayed, because it seems to be like a reoccurring thing. And put down below what you're getting if you know what you're getting, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.